Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.1 trillion, up 1.1% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is sitting at 40.3%. Right off the bat, guys, another day we do have continuous green across the board, and that's exactly something we like seeing right now, and the bullish momentum is continuing, guys. So if you are an altcoin holder or a Bitcoin holder, you guys want to watch this video till the absolute end because we are, looking extremely bullish, and the next couple days could be very important for the price of Bitcoin along with altcoin. So you want to watch this video till the absolute end. But as I mentioned, looking at the entire markets, a lot of green across the board. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that we absolutely love on this channel. And if you guys can guess it, it's none other than Vechain. All right, my Vechain family, if we are looking at the price right now, currently sitting at 0.065 cents, guys. We have seen Vechain go up 14.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, guys. In just the last 24 hours, we have seen a bounce of 14.7%. And in the last 24 hours, we've also seen, it up 14.2% in the Bitcoin comparative. What a beautiful bounce we have seen. And we can see that the ranking is at that top 36 spot, and we have climbed up quite a bit in the market ranking. And looking at the market cap right now, guys, we are currently sitting at $4.3 billion. But aside from that, look at this, guys, the 24-hour trading volume, $825 million. Now, if you're coming up to me and saying, hey, Crypto ZX, why is this so exciting? Why is this such a big deal? The 24-hour trading volume has literally almost tripled since 3 days ago. Absolutely insane, things are happening within the Vechain's price. And, if we are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, obviously in the last year, if we're comparing it, it is down 28%. But as I mentioned, if we do bring out the lows from 2020, we are up quite a bit. And, most importantly, let's look at just the last 30 days. Just the last 30 days, we have seen Vechain go up 45%. And now what is causing this? Now, a lot of people are asking, what is causing this? I've been seeing a lot of people reacting to this move that Vechain has had. Obviously, one factor is that it is reacting and, going up with the overall Bitcoin momentum. But as I mentioned in my last video, some big news that came out. But today, Tim Draper, guys, Tim Draper himself, his official Twitter account, tweeted this: "Great to see Vechain official team up with Draper University to bring entrepreneurs together to build on that Vechain Thor platform. Gain access to Draper U entrepreneurial education in addition to Vechain technical resources." Check it out. Absolutely insane, guys. It is big when you do hear articles, but when it's coming from the guy himself, Tim Draper, you guys know, if you deal with anything business related or are, aware of the finance sector, you guys know how big this dude really is. And he has tweeted this. And I believe this is creating a lot of excitement in the overall price of a Vechain. But now if we are looking at the price, guys, that everyone is here for, look at the price. Look at the price. We have seen a beautiful bounce, as I mentioned, about 15%. We are back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. You cannot make this up. We saw the price go all the way up to that 7 cents mark today, which was the previous level that we touched before we did see this rejection and saw us come below the 78.6, which was back on February 8th. And we literally touched that zone. And right now we are sitting right on the 78.6 zone. Now comes the question, what is happening? Are we going to see this upwards trend occur and really start seeing Vechain make a reversal and start heading back towards, the highs that it has seen back in April of last year? That is a question that everyone wants to know right now. But, this is a beautiful, beautiful breakout that we should not be ignoring. And on my channel, guys, when we were in this zone, when Vechain was having a hard time, everything was looking very, very boring. Boy, did I see, negative comments left and right. Every single comment that I saw was negative. But obviously, the Vechain community, I'm sorry, not every comment, but the Vechain community, the ones that really do believe in the project itself, these guys stuck around. They stuck around no matter what happens. Patience is the key. And I keep telling you guys that time is going to come. Obviously, over the past 1 year, we did see Vechain lag behind majority of the altcoins because, we did see the blockchains, really projects that have their own blockchains really do outperform majority of the altcoins. Meme coins really did take off as well. And we did see projects with strong fundamentals, real use case, really lag behind. And I've been mentioning on my channel that Vechain, without a doubt, in my personal opinion, not financial advice, is by far the most undervalued project when you are considering all these factors. Number one, it has a working product, guys. Working product, and it is working with some of the biggest retailers and some biggest, the biggest businesses around the world. Some of the biggest names such as Walmart, China, AWS, H&M, BMW, list goes on and on. And, when we just look at that and focus on the product itself, are they building? Are they innovating? Or are they just stuck and the price is obviously lagging too? That's the case, yeah, that is a red flag. But we have seen continuously, even the past year, Vechain keep on making strides and, making its brand more visible to the general public. And, the price, when it comes to price, the time does come. And you can see Tim Draper himself came and tweeted this, and we have seen a beautiful bounce towards the upside. And the 24-hour trading volume, the most important thing in my personal opinion, has literally tripled. So I do expect Vechain to start heading back towards this major level of resistance, which we have not been above since December of 27. So, Vechain right now is sitting at 0.065 cents. If I am bringing out the measuring tool, that would roughly mean that we do need a move of about 55%. Is that possible in my eyes? Definitely, guys, because right now, if we are looking at the price of Bitcoin, boy, Bitcoin is looking extremely, extremely bullish, that I have been talking about on my channel for quite some time. We've been projecting this move for literally the past 3 months. And right now, guys, the moment of truth is going to be found for us in the next 48 hours. I would say 48 to 72 hours, because we are approaching this level of resistance that at that $46,188 level, guys. So once we break out of here, guys, then I could even start talking about reversal. But until then, obviously, I'm still not out of the woods. I keep things realistic, guys. We need to be very, very picky when it comes to Bitcoin, because, there's a lot of manipulation that occurs in the cryptocurrency market. But without a doubt, guys, no one can deny the fact that Bitcoin is definitely in an upwards trend. As I mentioned on my channel before, we have been creating higher lows after higher lows, and this would basically confirm it for me once we break out of this zone at that $46,200 mark, that we have seen the bottom, and we could potentially start to head back into all-time high territories. But looking at the Bitcoin dominance, on the other hand, nothing too crazy going on with the Bitcoin dominance. So altcoin season is still quite some times away. If you really want to see the explosive moves, we do need to have BTC dominance around these levels. But when it comes to Vechain, guys, Vechain is looking extremely bullish right now. The 24-hour trading volume speaks a lot of what is really happening right now. And maybe, who knows, again, my own speculation, not financial advice, not saying this is happening. What if Tim Draper himself is buying Vechain? No one knows, but obviously we like to speculate when it comes to these kind of news. And I do expect Vechain to start heading back into these zones and really do test this level of resistance as long as the overall market momentum stays bullish, which so far it is looking like it is doing. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Where could you see the price of Vechain go at the end of this year? And do you guys really think that this is, the start of the next leg up for the price of Vechain, and we are coming out of the consolidation phase officially? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the world to me. I love you all. Thank you so much for all the support. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Like, your support means the world to me. I love you all. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.